This is the other side of Dubai, the old part of the city where the traditional Arabic culture is still prevalent. Abra comes from the Arabic word abara, which means to cross, and it is the city's most traditional mode of transport. This is the Dubai Creek, a short narrow waterway running through the Emirate of Dubai from the Persian Gulf, splitting the city into two parts, which include the old city of Deira and the other side of Dubai mainland, commonly known as Dubai. It was along the Dubai Creek that the Banias tribe first settled and established the Al Maktoum dynasty. For over the past decades, the Dubai Creek has always been undergoing through extensions which have allowed big water vessels to sail through it. According to Wikipedia, the Dubai Creek has always been called River Zara by the ancient Greeks. The creek has been a key player in the growth and development of the Emirate of Dubai. After riding the Abra, a traditional Emirati wooden boat, I embarked on a journey to discover one of the traditional and oldest market in the Emirate of Dubai, located in Dubai. Dubai Souq is also known as the textile Souq or the old Souq. To my surprise, you can even take out your camera and capture the vibrant atmosphere of the Dubai Souq. Remember to subscribe and hit that bell button and push me to create more awesome content.